Everyone, so today is going to be a bit different to what I had originally planned, as it is sopping wet everywhere. That's why I'm not skating. I wanted to do a tour kind of review of Southfields, the local around Loughborough, but suddenly it's too wet. So we're going to go to one of two indoor car parks we have, which has quite a few spots. I mean, they're all kind of the same. You'll kind of see when we get there, they're all like slappy curbs, like really shit money pads, but it should come out to a fun session. I mean, I've got some of the boys coming down, but nah, we'll give it a rating and we'll just see how it goes, to be honest. So here is the dirty ass spot for it, but nah, we got a nice ledge. It's been brick rubbed, never lacquered, hella wax. But I think the brick, it was skated naturally for a while, and then me and my mate came and brick rubbed it, but it's pretty chipped up now. I never got around to spray lacquer in it because I'd always forget it. But nowadays you only get like a couple tries and you get kicked out, but it's a calm little spot. There's more to come as well. The little thing is a dumb ass crack, and it's always where you want to come out. So your front trucks, or your front wheels, always get stuck in there, man. So one downside to the whole fucking place, and especially for you front side grind, not switch riders, goofy riders, yeah, pretty fucking dead. But it's lovely for regular riders. Yeah, scratch and sniff Ballard with the new board.
Fresh deck, bro.
Nah, it's actually pretty cold.
Spitfires, Reds, old trucks, cheap as shit, yeah. These are the cheapest independent.
Yeah. Mackies, yeah. Now we got the full crew on Paisley Parker looking like a nonce.
Is that Kevin?
Nah. Oh, it's Dexter Disley.
Who's this?
No one. It's the YouTube bros.
Is it?
It's the YouTube.
The YouTube.
Yo, it's Mr. YouTube.
The YouTube on the World Wide Web.
What's the name? It's like Helen somewhere.
Helen Keller.
Now, see you later. I can't zoom in. Oh shit. Bro, that was a shit. Oh, now I can zoom in.
Huh?
Now I can zoom in. It wouldn't let me zoom in.
Yo, bro. As you can see to the front of YouTube, we got more additions to the gang.
Oh, you shit. You fucking... You... Right, no yelling. I was gonna ask, but I didn't really.
Alright, now get out.
No, boss, get out. Yeah. Wait, ready? One more set. Yo, I definitely did not forget to rate it. So, we got, obviously we've gone over this before, but we've got the slappy ledge, the dutty crack, and then the really shit corner for the front siders. But Dexter, 1 out of 10, bro. What are you saying?
1 out of 10?
Yeah, on this specific spot, yeah.
If it didn't have the rail, I'd say it's probably like a 7 to be fair.
Yeah.
But because of this massive fucking, I have to do anything.
Yeah, and the fucking crack.
Yeah, that
I
is.
fucking hate the bum crack, bro. Alright, so what do you say?
I'd say like 6.
So we got 6. I'm gonna say, if I'm basing it off Loughborough, I'd say 7, but no, it's like a 5, I'd say. Yeah, 5. Yo, thanks for watching. The video was meant to be longer. I've got so much more footage, but I've put so much into the video already. I don't want to make it an hour-long video, so there'll be a part 2 up on the channel real soon.